Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action on Bitcoin. As we can see guys, Bitcoin after testing the resistance from the CPI line has started to show weakness, and also it has broken one of the most important line of support which we had around 60,000. Yes, 60,000 was one of the most important line of support which we were not supposed to break. But if you look at this right now, you can see guys, things look very different from here on. So is this the beginning of an actual bear market rally, or is it going to result in some pullback, price testing some key line of support before starting with an actual bullish move? What to expect next? So before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this are the first time to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USD futures position airdrop from Bybit, and additional to that another 200 USD futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. Now if you look at this price action of Bitcoin, you can see guys, after breaking the resistance from this descending broadening wedge, the price of Bitcoin started showing bullish move. But this bullish move ended when we tested the resistance from this July CPR, and I was very clear, this July CPR will be acting as one of the most important line of resistance because we are below it. But when the price is above it, this same trend line acts as one of the strongest support. But in our case, you can see it rejected us, and since then the price is also showing weakness. And now according to this leading indicator, we can see guys, this is our first bearish target which sits around 56,900 or 57,000 range. Yes, this monthly S1 line now could be attracting us in the immediate short term. And why? Because price has also lost the support, one of the biggest support from this rising trend line. Because in the past price action I showed you, whenever the price of Bitcoin has tested the support from this rising trend line, it resulted in a very bullish move. But in our case, we have to be extremely careful, because if this here is going to result in another continuation like this, I mean after some small relief rally, price heading towards this original trend duration, then in that case we will be also invalidating this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase. Because according to this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase, we were in this phase C, and in phase C, yes, we were expecting sideways movement, but we were not expecting price to break below 60,000. And in our case, since we are below 60,000, I want you guys to be extremely careful. If this daily candle, right, if this daily candle fails to regain its trend over 60,000, then please be careful, because in that case we are going to start with another continuation like this. Yes guys, we have to find proper support over 60,000, or this daily candle must come across 60,000 today at any cost, because parallelly the price, after failing to hold the support on 60,000, also looks like forming another bearish continuation pattern known as ascending right angle broadening formation. Because according to this ascending right angle broadening formation, you can see upper trend line acted as a strong line of resistance, lower trend line acted as a strong line of support. So in our case, this support has been broken. So in the medium short term, this might be resulting in a relief rally like this. I mean, price in the medium short term could show a relief rally like this, but if you fail to regain its strength above 60,000, please be careful in that case, because in that case we could be starting with another bearish continuation pattern known as ascending right angle broadening wedge formation. So guys, what I'm trying to pinpoint is that in the medium short term we might see some relief rally, because even according to this liquidation heat map in the 24-hour time frame, you can see we have huge liquidity clusters around 60,900 to 61,000 range. So in the medium short term, this might be resulting in a relief rally, but we have to regain our strength above 60,000 if we want to keep this bullish scenarios alive. Yes guys, the price at any cost must find support over 60,000, because losing that or failing to find support above that range means parallelly even this bearish scenario, which looks like double top, could be playing out next. Yes guys, we have already lost the support, the neckline support, and now if it starts showing another continuation to the downside, you can see this price actually sits in between 48,000 to 50,000. So this trend line to the downside could be attracting us, just like as shown in an example. So to avoid all this bearish scenario, we have to find support above 60,000. Now, even according to this descending right angle broadening wedge formation, we can see we have lost the support. This is our important support. We have lost the support, and now it is resulting in a continuation. So if you look at this descending right angle broadening wedge carefully, you can see this lower trend line, right? If it fails to regain its strength above 60,000, this lower trend line, just like from this past price action, could be attracting us. So all eyes are definitely going to be around 60,000 today, because we are aware in a bigger frame. This is in a weekly time frame. Even this rising trend line will be attracting us. So you can see to the downside, this monthly RSI is forming head and shoulder, a bearish continuation pattern, which is also playing out perfectly. I mean, it is also resulting in a corrective move in price action of Bitcoin. So if we are going to lose the support once and for all around 60,000, then this bigger picture, I mean, this bigger rising trend line could be attracting us, which could bring us again around 50,000. Yes, guys, 50,000. That price range will be looked as our upcoming target if we fail to regain our strength above 60,000. Because parallelly, you can see even this bump and run reversal top type of formation. It might not look that perfect, but I just want you guys to get a picture. I mean, if this here is going to play out as a bump and run reversal top type of formation, then you can see, guys, we have already lost the support on 60,000. Now, failing to regain the strength above that range means we could be slowly preparing ourselves for another continuation here to the downside. So to avoid this bearish move, right, we need the price of Bitcoin at any cost to find support above 60,000. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed the vlog, then please, guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this are the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this 500 USDT futures position airdrop, an additional 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.